Well, 2016 Honda Civic AC compressor replacement. Take the high side and low side out. There is 4 bolts on the AC compressor. Let me show it to you. Right here. The compressor is gonna stay like that. Then there is 4 bolts. You can access from the top. Take them out. Okay. After that, take the alternator out. Put it aside. There is 2 bolts. You're gonna use the socket number 12 millimeter, and after that there's a bracket tensioner attached to it. Take the screw out, 12 millimeter socket, one screw here, and the other one, let me show it to you. Let me grab the light real quick. And the other one is gonna be, okay, I got the light. And the other one, as you see, is down there. Right here. Take the bracket out, and the AC compressor will come up. Put back the new one, put the bracket alternator, refill the AC, and it should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. 2016 Honda Civic AC compressor replacement.